Okay, it's the BMW S1000. I'm just fitting the modified screw cap for the timing chain tensioner. This is to be fitted, there's a Puma notice from BMW after I think it's about 15,000 kilometers. You can fit a different screw cap that retains the timing chain tensioner. So I've removed the original one. If you can see here on the left, it's the original one, and it protrudes out of the screw cap around about 7 centimeters. Now the one on the right causes the timing chain tensioner to protrude out around about 7.5 centimeters, so that's 5 mil difference. So that's going to increase the tension on the timing chain.